Are your Plumeria cuttings struggling to grow? Or maybe you're worried they'll rot before they root. Growing plumerias from cuttings isn't as tricky as you think. Stick around, and I'll share the exact steps to get those beautiful blooms in no time. How to grow Plumeria Frangipani from cuttings. Best time to take Plumeria cuttings. The best time to take cuttings is in spring or early summer when the plant is actively growing. This gives the cuttings a higher chance of rooting successfully. Preparing Plumeria cuttings for planting? Cut a healthy 12-18-inch branch with a sharp, clean tool. Let the cutting dry for a few days to form a callus. This helps prevent rotting. Best potting mix for Plumeria cuttings. Use well-draining soil like a mix of cactus soil, sand, and perlite. Plumeria cuttings hate wet roots, so drainage is key. How to care for Plumeria cuttings? Watering Plumeria cuttings? Waters sparingly. The soil should be damp but not soaked. Overwatering can lead to rot. Fertilizing Plumeria cuttings. Once new leaves appear, feed lightly with a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer every 2-3 weeks.
Protecting Plumeria cuttings from pests and diseases.
Watch for pests like spider mites and aphids. A quick spray of neem oil can help. Check your cuttings regularly to catch any issues early. Troubleshooting common problems. If your cuttings aren't rooting, check soil moisture. It might be too wet or too dry. Using rooting hormone can help speed up the process. If cuttings are turning brown, this is likely rot from overwatering or not drying the cuttings enough. Cut above the rot and start fresh. If cuttings aren't growing, make sure they're getting enough light. Plumerias love full sun, at least 6 hours daily. Where to buy Plumeria cuttings? Online retailers. Look for reliable online nurseries with good reviews for disease-free cuttings. Nurseries and local growers. Check local nurseries or plant swaps in your area, especially in warmer climates. Tips for growing Plumeria. Getting the best blooms. Plumeria thrive in sunlight. Use a phosphorus-rich fertilizer like 10-30-10 to encourage blooms. Caring for Plumeria in different climates. If you're in a cooler area, grow Plumeria in pots to move them indoors during winter. They go dormant when cold, so don't worry if leaves drop. With these easy steps, your Plumeria cuttings will be growing strong and blooming beautifully. Have any tips or questions? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.